Hey, so this past week, I went to the mountains. I live on the eastern seaboard, so in the city, so in the Appalachian Mountains. Well, me and my family went up to Mountain Lake. The reason they call it Mountain Lake is well, because it's a lake in the mountains. Lake. It's right next to Monticello, Natural Bridge, cave systems all around there. It's just a really nice place to go to. It's in Virginia, by the way, so if you're around in the area, it's just checking it out. Well, yeah, when I went to Mountain Lake this past time, I decided to film the 3 scenic hikes. The hike up to Bald Knob, Bear Cliffs, and the old golf course trail. I decided to film Bald Knob in its entirety because it's only about a mile hike up there. It's like 45 degrees, so, and it's like 4,000 feet up, so it's not the easiest hike, but yeah, it's only 10 minutes. I timed it. It's only a 10-minute hike. Great view, all 3 of them. Probably gonna split them up into 2 videos because it's like 10-minute hike that I filmed up to Bald Knob. So yeah, sorry about the heavy breathing. It is 4,000 more feet than what I'm used to. I had a backpack on, 45 degrees. So yeah, I'm gonna post a link to the end of the video for those people that really don't want to see the whole hike. Me personally, it's more about the journey and less about the destination, but destination's not bad either. So alright, here's Bald Knob Trail, half a mile. Trails over here, roads over here. Mile for the road, but it's 3:23. It should probably take us about 10 minutes. Our elevation is 37,000 feet. The top Bald Knob is like 42,000 feet, so we're climbing up quite a ways. Whew. There. Go straight up. Alright, it's time to get to the ferns. Levels off around here. Yay. There's my brother waiting for me, sitting in his hammock. What's up? Alright, well, my brother is joining me, so there's a couple minutes, so my time might be a little off. But, yep, we're like halfway through. We're in the ferns right now. Whew. Special mind if I lead. Appreciate it. Only cause sorry. But yeah, not bad. Still climbing. Should be there in like 5 minutes at the most. Cliff Trail, haven't been on that yet, but plan on it.
You did?
Yep.
What's on it?
No, I plan on being on it.
Oh,
There's stone steps, stone stairs. Alright, and
There's people up there.
we're up here at the end. Not bad. Exactly 10 minutes, even when I stopped with my brother. Whew. Bald Knob. We haven't gone on the Homestead Connector in a while, but yep, it's a pretty nice view. See like 4 or 5 mountains in the distance. City down there, don't know if you can see it, but it's just real nice being up here. Over in this mountain, don't know if you can see it, but that's where our cottage is. It's nice.
It's a snake.
Snake just chilling, sunbathing. But yeah, that's our hike up to Bald Knob. If we ever need to chill, bench right here. It's pretty nice. Now I'm about to show y'all the other lookout point in Bald Knob. A little more secluded, but it's nice. But yeah, rocks. Snakes, I like to be in these ones, but too far down to get you anyway, even if they are poisonous. But yeah. It's nice views, pretty nice too.